Now see, at 8 p.m. you enter the fan is switch on the fan. That fan was off, and after 8 p.m. fan in on. Correct? So when you entered the room and changed the position of the switch, then that is condition of t equal to 0. Okay. Before 8 p.m. that was the condition of t minus just before entering the room. And just after entering the room after 8 p.m. that is the condition of t equal to 0 plus. Okay. Now t will be equal to infinity if we are sitting for a long time. Understood? So basically, it's a time dependent function. At each and every time, your position of switch will change. Got it? Now, see how will we relate the transient. Whenever you will get the transient kind question, you just switch like this. Okay? There is some amount, some load. That load can be the combination of RL, RC, or the combination of RL. Okay? Now see, they said that at t equal to, what does this arrow indicates? That at t equal to 0, switch is closed. Hmm? That means at t equal to 0 minus, switch was opened or closed? Was opened. Before entering the, yeah, as you can see, at t equal to 0 minus and equal to 0, the things will always change. T equal to 0 plus and t equal to infinity, the condition same. Okay, so at t equal to 0, the switches means current will flow, right? Connection will make. At t equal to 0, switch was opened, that means before that, so current will not flow. Correct? Now at equal to 0 plus, switch will be opened or closed. Okay, here. Now if I change the arrow sign, everything, I change the sign. Okay, now the situation will be changed. Yes, now the situation is changed at t equal to 0. Now see the arrow at t equal to 0. Now in this case, switch is opened or closed? Is so before that at t equal to 0 minus, switch was opened or closed? Closed. Then after that, in, right? ओपन मीन्स ये हमारे से उल्टा है हम कहते हैं ना ओपन मीन्स तो ओपन मीन्स नो करंट विल फ्लो क्लोज्ड मीन्स करंट विल अंडरस्टूड